Okay, I'm going to show you demo for infographic backlink crusher. First, in first demo, I will show you how to add a task and how to run the software. I will introduce with GUI as well. This is a profile button. All the profiles which are entered by the user can be seen over here. Some sites required username and password, and some sites don't require username and password. You can import export the profile from these two buttons as well. These are the global setting option. You can set the decaptor, death by captcha or manual captcha. You can set your hotmail account setting or any other pop3 account setting to confirm the emails. You can run the number of threads. It means how many simultaneous websites you would like to run. These settings can be global and these settings can be used as in between the task as well. This is the self help button. This is the new button which will add a new project. For example, if you are working for the different clients, you can add the client one, and in client one you can add a number of tasks. Similarly, you can add, and in each project you can add different tasks. I will add a new task in this. I will click on the new button and click on the accept button. Then from here I can import the existing profile or I can create a new profile. These import profiles are only available under that projects. It means, for example, if you currently we don't see any profile over here, but if we go in this folder and click on the add new task and click on the accept, you will find that there are different profiles already presented. So in this way we can add the profile. You can generate a random username and password as well. You can generate a username. I will recommend you not to use, because some sites require these special characters and some sites don't require the special character. So I will suggest you to use a plain password. Definitely you can use some strong password. Here is the website URL. Some sites require website your domain name. For example, we can enter www.google.com. This is the local image path. You can browse the image. It will be shown over here. Then you can use. These details are required for some sites, so I decided to specify these sites and these details. Then click on the next button. You can use the global setting, as I already mentioned that you can set the global setting. If you click on the global setting, it will global setting will get loaded, or you can set the individual setting as well. You can set the password. I'm trying one of very old email address. Let's check whether it's still live or not, else we will check some other. You can check the email setting as well from using this button. It will take few seconds. No, login error, invalid username and password. So in this way it will show, yeah, it's connected. You can see from here you can set the number of threads, how many threads you would like to run. Depending, you can run the number of threads depending on your internet speed and your CPU. I will recommend you to use max 4 threads for better submission, or it will be even better if you don't wish to get banned your IP. You can use 2 threads. Then here you need to add rest of the information. Here you need to add the live image URL. Some website don't accept the local image, where we need to put the web URL of the image like www. Here you need to specify keyword. Here you need to specify the description. You can use the spin text in a description as well. I'm showing this for example only. You can see the spin is working. So in this way you can use the spin as well. Then click on the next button. From here you have two options. You can select the individual sites. If you click on the select individual site button, it will allow you to select the individual sites. You can if you deselect this button, it will post to all site. You can click on the post immediately button, or you can even schedule the submission. I will schedule the submission, and you can spread this submission for multiple days. For example there are 100 sites present in this software, and you would like to spread the submission for 2 days. Then software will automatically will do the submission to first 50 sites today, and it will do the next 50 sites submission tomorrow. So I will click on this button, and what we will do is we will click on the finish button. Task is get created, and it will show you the status messages over here. These are the task log messages. What you need to do is you need to click on this task to check the log message. As well as you click on the any particular task, it will become white, and then you need to click on the log messages. These log messages will appear as well as a submission will be completed. Before the submission get completed, you cannot it will not show you any task logs, as there is nothing to show. Mm, then you can even export the log messages. It will get exported to a txt or csv format. This is one more email confirmation button. For example, if you are um, uh, willing to do any email confirmation apart from these tasks, you can do the submission from here, and it will use the global setting email address to confirm the emails. These are the sites option. You can find or you can remove any particular site using these options. So that's all for the software will automatically get started schedule as per the schedule time, and task will be get run. You cannot delete the task when it is running. You need to wait until this task gets finished. As well as task get finished, you can delete the task, or you can remove the task. You can even edit the task as well. And as I shown that the task which we added is spread over 2 days. You can see 19 and 20 on the same time. So it means software will do the 50% sites today, and it will do the 50% site submission tomorrow. Thanks for your time. Welcome.